How to start an online business in 2025. Welcome back to Knowledge Grid. Today we're diving deep into one of the most powerful ways to change your life in 2025, starting an online business. The rise of AI, automation, and global digital markets. This is the best time in history to launch online businesses. But here's the challenge. Most people don't know where to start, and they get stuck in confusion or wasted effort. So in this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to start an online business in 2025, from idea to execution, and even how to scale it into a profitable income stream. Stay till the end, because I'll also share 3 bonus high-demand business ideas for 2025 that you can start with little to no money. Why online business in 2025? Before we dive into the how, let's answer the why. The global e-commerce market is expected to hit over $8 trillion by 2027. AI tools now make it possible for one person to run businesses that used to require entire teams. Remote work and digital lifestyles are now mainstream, meaning more customers are shopping, learning, and investing online than ever before. Most importantly, barriers to entry are at an all-time low. You don't need massive capital. You need knowledge, consistency, and the right strategy. Step 1. Choose the right business model. The first step is choosing the right online business model that fits your skills, goals, and resources. Here are the top models in 2025. E-commerce and drop shipping, selling physical products online through Shopify. Amazon FBA or Etsy, digital products and courses, ebooks, online courses, templates. SOFT or e-tools, freelancing and service business, offering skills like marketing, design, video editing, or coding. Content creation business, YouTube, TikTok, podcasts, or blogs monetized through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Subscription and membership models, paid communities, coaching programs, SaaS apps. My advice? Start with a model that requires low investment but high potential scalability, like freelancing, content creation, or digital products. Step 2. Find your niche. Niche is everything. A niche is basically the specific group of people you serve. The narrower, the better. Here's how to find your niche in 2025. Look for evergreen needs: health, wealth, relationships, education, technology. Use tools like Google Trends, SEMrush, or ChatGPT to research what people are searching for. Identify your own skills or passions, because consistency is key. Validate with demand versus competition. Check forums, TikTok trends, Amazon bestsellers, YouTube keywords. Example, instead of fitness, target fitness for busy professionals in their 30s using AI-powered workout apps. That's niche plus trending plus profitable. Step 3. Build your brand and online presence. Once you pick your niche, you need to build your online presence. In 2025, your brand is your business steps. Choose a brand name, short, memorable, unique. Create a website or landing page. Use Wix, WordPress, or Card. Super affordable. Set up social media platforms. Focus on 1 to 2 platforms where your audience hangs out most. Content strategy. Consistency beats perfection. Use AI tools like Canva, ChatGPT, and CapCut to create high-quality content. Fast email list building, still one of the most powerful ways to own your audience in 2025. Tools like ConvertKit and Beehive make it easy. Example, brand logos, websites, social content. Step 4. Create and launch your offer. Now it's time to actually sell something. For product-based businesses, start with a minimum viable product, MVP. Don't overcomplicate marketplaces, Amazon, Etsy, Fiverr, to test before going big. For service-based businesses, package your skills into clear offers. Example, video editing for YouTubers, $300 per month. Create portfolio. Samples using free work or mock projects for digital products, ebooks, templates, AI prompts, and courses are booming in 2025. Sell them on Gumroad, Etsy Digital, or your own website. Step 5. Marketing and getting traffic. This is the biggest challenge most beginners face. Traffic. Without traffic, there's no business. Here's how to get traffic in 2025. Organic content marketing, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels. These short videos drive millions of free views. SEO and blogging. Google still drives consistent free traffic if you play the long game. Paid ads start small with Facebook, TikTok, or Google Ads to test offers. Affiliate and influencer marketing partner with micro-influencers who promote your product to their audience community. Build a tribe around your brand using Discord, Telegram, or private Facebook groups. Step 6. Scaling and automation. Once you're making sales, it's time to scale. Outsource repetitive tasks using freelancers from Fiverr, Upwork, or AI tools. Automate systems, email marketing, customer support chatbots, social scheduling. Expand product lines or services once your first offer is stable. Reinvest profits into ads, better tools, and team building. Remember, the difference between a small side hustle and a real business is systems and scalability. Bonus to 3 best online business ideas for 2025 as promised. Here are 3 hot business ideas for 2025. AI Automation Agency, helping businesses automate with AI chatbots, CRMs, and marketing tools. Digital education business, selling short, specialized skill courses like AI tools, crypto investing, or remote career skills. Niche subscription boxes, combining physical plus digital experiences. Example, AI productivity box with tools plus community access. So, if you've been waiting for the right time to start your online business, this is it. The tools, the demand, and the opportunities are all here in 2025. The only missing piece is your action. If you found this video valuable, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Knowledge Grid for more financial, business, and investing insights. And let me know in the comments, what online business do you want to start this year? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you